Hello and welcome back to the channel. Well, that right here almost ruined my day. Luckily, I was able to avoid the nice little SUV, and today turned out to be a very special day. Totally unplanned, I got to ride for the first time a leader bike. While chatting with Jason from Plano Kawasaki Suzuki concerning any possible updates on the V100, I was also picking his brain concerning the BMW S1000RR, Yamaha R1 and Kawasaki Ninja H2. Of course, as a good salesman, he quickly brought the Aprilia V4 1100 Tuono factory into the mix. Somehow he just happened to have a 2020 demo, and next thing I know, I sit on a leader bike for the first time in my life.
I'll try to fix it later. I'll let you start it when you're ready. So, I don't know.
So how do you start this one?
10 minutes or so to give you an idea. Just,
Oh yeah.
Just this.
Got
Push
you.
it over the bottom there.
Got you.
I'd kind of like to know how to turn that off so you can see how fast you were going.
Yeah.
I don't want to hold you up though.
Don't worry about it.
It just keeps going to that and I can't get it off. So if you want, it has cruise. I don't know if you care about that.
Nah. I mean, not right now, obviously.
I'll look at this. You're right.
Just wanna swing a leg over it here.
It does have quick shifter up and down, so if you want to try that, you can.
Yes, that's I definitely wanna try. Alright, so this one.
Yeah, I actually, there you go. You're set now.
Ah. Okay. Holy shit.
Yeah, that about sums it up. Not only was it the first time on a leader bike, but also the first time using a quick shifter. After initial fumblings, since I really didn't know exactly how the quick shifter concept works, I got slowly to grips with it, and I have to say, for me, it totally transformed the experience tenfold. Using a quick shifter is very addicting, but also frees up focus to what is happening around you. Having used it now, I wish the V85 had an option for it. The woman in the SUV realized her mistake and apologized at the next light. No reason to make a big deal out of it. That's how we do in Texas. As you can see here, rush hour, traffic and test drives don't go along very well. But I try to do the best out of it. Shifting without a clutch felt very surreal at first, but you get used to it rather quick. after understanding how the system works. Even though the weather was not ideal and a woman in an SUV tried to run me over, it was an amazing experience, and I'm now taking the Aprilia into consideration for sure. The sound of the V4 engine, even in stock form, was absolute thrilling, and at only 175 horsepower, I can now only imagine what the R1 or RR must feel like. At no point was I even close to wide open throttle, as I had way too much respect for the bike. I will say, after looking at the differences between the 2020 and the 2021 model, it would be nice to have the LED lights and bigger TFT display of the 2021 model. Other than that, I can't hardly find any faults with the 2020.
That is an awesome machine.
My chosen form of transportation was the Ninja 400 today, and just like I mentioned in my previous video, running through the gears, it's just a hoot, even on a small displacement bike. If you were wondering concerning keeping up with traffic, 80 to 90 miles an hour plus is an absolute non-event. Go, go, little ninja. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you for watching, and we will see you on the next one. Bye.